Hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to another Funfold Friday video on my YouTube channel and blog. For today's project, I am featuring the Cheers and Sips stamp set, as well as the celebratory Sips Designer Series papers. And sticker sheet, actually. You can get a sticker sheet with this. Anyway, this is a piece of Berry Burst cardstock. It is 8.5 by 5.5, and I'm scoring it at 3 1/4 and 4 1/4. So what we're going to do is a portrait bookbinding funfold. So basically we just sort of scored about 1 inch, I guess, and then we fold it back on itself, and it's supposed to look like a bookbinding. But I have some designer series paper here, and I thought this paper would go very nicely with this kind of a card. Anyway, I am going to not only show you what the portrait bookbinding funfold card, but also the landscape. So this card base is 11 inches long and 4 1/4 inches tall, and we're going to score it at 5.5 and 4.5. So basically I always score it in the middle, and then it doesn't matter which side, just 1 inch away. So from that middle score. All right, so I'm using my bone folder here, scoring and burnishing those score lines. I am using my Seal Plus, which is my favorite adhesive, and I'm sticking it right in the middle there, and this will not move. You will not be able to tear this card apart. Okay, so there's lots of measurements here. Again, I have a PDF on the blog, so you can head there and pick up the designer series paper. So I'm using a matte, a white matte, and then I'm using the celebratory Sips designer series paper. So that skinny piece of DSP is 3 1/4 inches by, let me see, 5 1/4. And the matte is 7/8 of an inch and 5 3/8. So the bigger piece, the white matte, is 3 1/8 by 5 3/8. And the pretty paper is 3 inches wide and 5 1/4 inches tall. Moving on to the landscape card, we have the pretty designer series paper, 3 1/4 by 4, and the white matte is 7/8 of an inch by 4 1/8 inch. And let me see, the big white matte is 4 3/8 of an inch wide and 4 1/8 inch tall, and the pretty paper is 4 1/4 wide and by 4. So you can see that they are different measurements because they are different styles, but it all works the same. And I thought I would include both in this PDF so that you will have this template, or like the PDF forever, basically. All right. And of course, I'm not putting any products or anything in there because things change, but I do have pictures of these cards in there for you. And you can download them and add them to your repertoire if you wish. I really like this celebratory Sips paper. It is so cute. Has a lot of, fruit, and like there is a sort of impression that the bottles are liquor, but also to the glasses and whatnot, you certainly can just make it look like lemonade too, right? I took my niece and nephew this month for a wine tour, and I included this paper for their birthday cards. They're twins. All right, so I did use the Nested Essential dies. These are, it's one of my favorite dies for these labels. I love them. I'm using Blackberry Bliss, I believe, for the ink, and the sentiment basically says, cheers, let's celebrate. And I cut these out of the paper, so I have them kind of sitting around extra. So the drinks, I mean, and I just fussy cut them out of the paper because I didn't want to die cut these, because you can't die cut necessarily the little umbrella. So that's what I ended up doing. I just fussy cut them, and now and I did it in another video. And you know what? You've probably seen me fussy cut a million times. Anyway, I'm adhering these to the front of my card. And again, you're going to see all the supplies I used today listed below in the video See More section on YouTube, or in the supplies section of my blog post. And those fast links are going to take you to my Canadian online store, where I would love to meet you and earn your business. So those are my shares for you today. Thank you so much for spending time with me, and for all the comments you may leave, for the thumbs up and doing all the YouTubey things. I really appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider it, as it really helps my small channel grow. Thanks again for watching, and bye for now.